I'm partway through the repair of an MZ-R3. This one has bad audio output. This one has a bad laser and battery compartment. So between the two of them, anyway, this board's coming out, going in the one with a good laser. And then hopefully I have a working unit. Oh, man. Dang it. And on top of that, my contact is annoying me, so that's helpful. Great. Can't see. Alright. Which one was it? Oh, man. Crap. I think it was this one. Shoot. Yeah, this is the one with the good laser. Sorry. There we go. All right. Once I get a little further, I'll power it up and make sure this is the one with the good laser. Since I don't really know anymore. Although the one with the good laser looked like the lid didn't close all the way for some reason. That was my sign. Come on. I don't want to pull this thing all the way out because that's going to do that. And then I got to get it back in right. All right, so where's this? Yep. All good. The other one, it was just like full on as loud as you can get static. So that was not going to work. What's left is putting these two back together. Sorry, I don't have a lot to say. Just screwing it back together. Even the broken one goes back together. It'll be sold as junk. Someone will buy it. Might have something useful in it for someone. No, that was the other problem. See, the lid looks like it's open a little bit. Well, you can tell someone really hammered at it to get it open. So I'm pretty sure this just needs a massage down a bit. And again, maybe not. Doesn't look like it moves. No, it must, because that one's straight. So yeah, it's not level. It's sticking up a little. Doesn't seem to affect the operation any bit, but it doesn't look right. However, I can't really, without hitting the lid. Took my magnet. Oh, maybe if the lid's out of the way we can get to it. I don't know. Not really. There. That's better. And no, I wasn't terribly concerned with marring that up a little bit with the pliers. This isn't really some kind of showpiece. This one's pretty ugly. It does work though, so there is that. Cords, plays. Even the battery contacts are decent, but the body really isn't. Neither one of them is. See, it looks much better now. No gap. There was corrosion. That was from this one, which came out of the other unit. Actually, came out of this unit. This is from the bad unit, as well as the back. The back was in better condition, but this beauty belt thing, not great. So, and there's a dent, but I mean, part of these, I might swap the lid on that too. You know, it's not worth the trouble. It's not a nice enough unit that anyone really cares, I don't think. It's not going to sell for much. It's like and this rate's like a $80 unit. When they're nice condition, they seem to sell for like $120. Something like that. But this one isn't really in that kind of condition. I've sold several in that kind of condition, but that's not this one. This one, maybe 80. We'll see. I mean, I'll try, right? Someone will offer me less. And I'll take it, because it's not a great looking unit. But it works. Not this one. This one's garbage. This will be junk. Sold off with stack of other junk units. But, you know, some people, maybe they need a record head, or maybe they need a display. Okay, give me a minute. So why bother putting it back together? I don't know, just cause. Oh, man. Well, it's not gonna all go together nicely anyway. Pull off the thing that shores that up. I don't know, whatever. It's as good as it's gonna ever get anyway. It's junk. Hang in with me. Hang on. One more minute. I'll put batteries in the other one and you can see it work. Someone might want a battery door. I mean, it's got a good battery door. That part's clean. Display's fine. Or maybe they just want a piece for their collection. I don't know. Who knows? I have screws left over, you know why? I forgot to screw the board down in the working one. These screws, forgot to put them in. Oh, man. All right. Going to take another minute. Stealing my magnet. Switch wasn't in the right spot. All right. Now I gotta find 2 good batteries. There we go. Good as it's gonna get. There you go. Sony MZ-R3.